Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 19. Getting a library.
Excuse me. I am interested in getting a library card.
Sure, let me give you an application. You can fill it out right here at the counter.
Okay, here it is.
Let me take a look at this for you. May I have your driver's license, please?
Here's my license and form.
You seem to have filled the form out all right. Are you familiar with our rules and fines?
Yes, I know what to do.
The hours and limitations are printed on the card in this handout.
Okay, I see.
Thank you for joining the library. We look forward to serving you.
I was wondering if you could help me to get a library card.
Of course, just fill out this form and let me know when you are finished.
I'm finished.
I will also need your driver's license. Hand me the filled out form, please.
Okay, the form is all filled out.
Perfect! Do you know the hours and rules for the library?
No, I have no idea what they are.
Everything you need to know is printed on the card and handout.
Yes, right.
Great! You are all set to enjoy the library.
Good morning. Is this where I can get a library card issued to me?
No problem. We have a short form right here. Just hand it to me when you are done.
I'm done.
That looks great, but I will also need your driver's license or other form of ID.
Sure, here it all is.
Well, this looks nice. Do you know how to use it?
I am pretty sure how to use it, but can you remind me?
Of course. Just remember that all of the needed information is on the card.
I see.
Well, I hope you have a wonderful time on your library visits. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.